I saw another sneeze video of the compilation of the year. Biboo had the most sneezes, but actually, sneeze per hour is Mori calliope. Did you know that? It's actually not Mococo. What is it? They tallied up the total from each, generation. And Avant is first, and then Flowglow is second. And then Myth is third. Probably solely carried by Mori calliope. And then Avant has the most sneezes in the year. Biboo has the most sneezes in general. Mori calliope has the most sneezes per hour. And then Avant has the most boop sneezes. Oh yeah.